Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Snapchat and signing in. This ensures compatibility. Once done, grant camera, mic, and location permissions so the AI feature can access sensors and context. Next, open the camera or chat screen and scan for the AI prompt, like a distinct badge or scout entry. If you don't see it, tap your profile, then settings to check for experimental or beta features. These steps unlock the initial interface you need to proceed with adding Snapchat AI. You now authorize the AI by tapping the badge and accepting on-screen prompts. This registers your device for the service. Make deliberate privacy choices. Allow or deny data sharing and personalization depending on comfort, because that affects responses. Next, connect optional sources like chat history or linked accounts to improve contextual replies. Once you configure those options, the AI will index available context. Give it a minute. After indexing, you'll see a demo or tutorial. You finish by activating the feature. Send a simple question to confirm the AI responds and personalize settings during the first few interactions. If it doesn't load, force close the app, restart your phone, or clear the app cache. These steps often resolve permission or token issues. Make sure your account region supports the feature. If not, join the beta waitlist or contact support. If responses seem off, toggle personalization or reauthorize data access to refine output quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.